Men, here's something for your wife but for you, if you know what I mean. Do you still remember your love's flawless smooth skin when you first met ages ago? What if we told you about this powerful yet natural remedy that could turn back the hands of time and bring the excitement of first love back again? Good, now we got you hooked. Stay tuned to the very end for the big reveal. Before we begin, drop us a like because it means a lot to us. The big secret isn't in some expensive and laborious cosmetic products or treatment, but something simple and fundamental. The elasticity and firmness of our skin relies on an essential protein, which is collagen. As we age, this protein depletes and our body produces smaller amounts of it, causing skin to sag and lose its shape. Before we get on to the secret sauce, let's go through 5 reasons why our body needs more collagen supply. Number 1. It keeps your skin smooth. Smooth skin texture results from adequate collagen levels, and when collagen production decreases, the skin can become harsh and lose its natural glow. Number 2. Heals scars. When there is a breakage in the skin, such as a wound, collagen fibers are deposited to fill the gaps, which create scars to cover up the wound. With a decrease in body's collagen production, some scars will not receive collagen fibers as much as before, causing it to close unevenly, leaving craters and indentations in the skin. Externally aiding the body's collagen supply will ensure that acne and pimple scars will heal properly, so your skin will look smoother. Number 3. Retaining natural moisture. Collagen contributes to preserving skin hydration by luring and holding onto moisture. It creates a shield against water loss, keeping the skin moisturized and plump. Number 4. Prevents excessive pigmentation. In long-term sun exposure, melanin is produced on the surface of the skin as a natural UV protectant. Aside from a nice tan, sometimes melanin can be deposited unevenly, causing speckles and dark spots on skin. Collagen, on the other hand, also provides UV protection to the skin without causing unwanted freckles on the skin. Number 5. Lubricates your joints and muscles. Collagen is the basic building blocks for bone, cartilage, muscle, and most tissues in the body. With a healthy supply of collagen, not only you can reduce joint pain, you will also feel more youthful and flexible. Next, let's talk about the secret ingredients that will form the miracle remedy that your beautician and skin doctor do not want you to know about. Number 1. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that fights off free radicals, promotes the production of collagen, and lightens skin. Number 2. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is well known for its calming and therapeutic qualities. It provides the skin with intense hydration and aids in reducing irritation and redness. Number 3. Rosehip seed oil. Packed with vitamins and vital fatty acids, rosehip seed oil enhances skin texture, encourages cell renewal, and lessens wrinkle appearance. Number 4. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil provides deep moisture to the skin without blocking pores and is readily absorbed by the skin. It also has nutrients for the skin, including vitamins and minerals. Number 5. Frankincense. Frankincense has been used for generations as an anti-aging remedy because of its essential oil. It helps balance out skin tone, tighten the skin, and minimize the look of fine wrinkles. And now finally, here is our instructions on how you can make this collagen serum that erases wrinkles. Step 1. Gather about 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel. You can either extract this by taking 2 leaves from the aloe vera plant, peel the skin and scrape it with a spoon to gather the gel. Alternatively, you can also buy pure aloe vera gel from the pharmacy or a health store. This will be the base of your product. Step 2. Add a half teaspoon of vitamin C powder to the aloe vera gel. Step 3. Add 1 tablespoon of rosehip seed oil into the concoction. Step 4. Add 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil for a profound moisturizing effect. Step 5. Add 5 to 7 drops of frankincense essential oil. Step 6. Mix the ingredients thoroughly and store it in a dark glass dropper vial or any dark container until ready for usage. Store somewhere cool and dry and make sure to keep it away from sunlight. Step 7. Get your skin ready to host before using the serum. Properly clean your skin and wipe it dry. Your skin will be prepared to receive all the benefits thanks to this. Step 8. Using the serum. Before use, give the bottle a light shake. Apply a few drops of the serum to your fingertips, then use upward circular motions to massage it into your face and neck. This enhances absorption and promotes blood flow. Step 9. Leave it on your face until it dries, then you may apply your preferred moisturizer or sunscreen. For optimal results, use this serum once or twice daily. You may be wondering if you could use this product long-term. The short answer is yes. There are long-term benefits of this natural remedy, such as: Number 1. Improved skin elasticity. The mixture of components encourages the creation of collagen, which improves the elasticity and firmness of the skin. Number 2. Reduced wrinkles and fine lines. As you use the product frequently, you'll notice a noticeable decrease in the visibility of wrinkles and fine lines, which will give your skin a more youthful appearance. Number 3. Enhanced skin hydration. The serum's nourishing ingredients trap moisture, keeping your skin moisturized and supple. Number 4. Even skin tone. By fading dark spots and evening out your skin tone, vitamin C and frankincense oil give you a bright complexion. So, there you have it. Now you can save thousands of dollars on cosmetic products and remedies. Remember, consistency is key in skincare, so make this serum a part of your daily routine for the best results. If you have found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this. If you like natural remedies, feel free to subscribe to our growing channel. As always, thank you for watching. Feel free to check out our other natural remedies for your health.